We firmly believe that the right nutrition supports healthy growth and development during the first 1,000 days. And as we get older, it maintains good health and assists the body in recovery from illness. At Danone Nutricia Research, we strive to deliver consistent, safe, and innovative powders for infants and patients. The accuracy of the nutritional intake for the end user is safeguarded by the physical properties of the powder itself. How do we make sure that each scoop of powder is consistent and safe, ensuring that each drink is well received by the baby or patient? One of our key focus areas within research and innovation is product and process technology. Our process technologists have an advanced scientific understanding of the complex mechanisms in play when developing and improving the production process, enabling us to manufacture products that are high quality and safe to use. Within product and process technology, one of our key focus areas is spray drying technology. Ultimately, the spray dryer ensures product safety and quality. The spray dryer enables us to create a complex powder microstructure in just a couple of seconds. The powder formation starts in the large drying tower. Precisely targeted jets of hot air evaporate the water out of a carefully prepared, concentrated liquid mixture. To facilitate the evaporation of water from the concentrated product, the liquid is sprayed into the chamber, creating a cloud with billions of tiny wet droplets, massively increasing its surface area. As the particles begin to dry, the mixture of powder particles and droplets starts to interact. They coalesce and agglomerate, forming unique microstructures. Throughout this process, we use accurately controlled airflows to keep the droplets from hitting the side of the tower. Even if the particles hit the walls, it's made sure that they are dry enough to avoid sticking to the side of the drying chamber. Tiny powder particles are taken up by the airflow out of the drying chamber. These tiny particles are recovered in a cyclone and fed back to the dryer to minimize material losses, while gravity helps the microstructures that have formed descend to the bottom of the tower, where they are sifted and sorted in a fluidized bed and distributed out to a rapidly vibrating fluidized bed, where they are further dried and cooled to result in our high-quality base powder. This complex process happens in seconds. We have fine-tuned the process to maximize efficiency and guarantee the highest quality possible. To really understand the broad complexity of process technology, we use tools like the pilot plant, a state-of-the-art scientific engineering lab that allows us to test new recipes as well as new technologies. It also functions as a step in between the laboratory and factory, where products are brought from small production in the pilot plant to full-scale production in the factory. The Food Science and Technology Lab, where we analyze the quality properties of powders. And computational fluid dynamics, a simulation tool to anticipate what's going to happen in the factory. Essentially, our virtual factory.
By using process technology that we control the quality of our powder, so that we make sure that each scoop has the right amount of nutrients.
Yeah, our consumers are vulnerable. They rely on the product we supply them. And so it's really critical that we make sure it's absolutely safe and it's the best quality we have.
Look for collaborations outside of our building. First of all, we cannot do everything ourselves. And second, it can